Hey lovely, so today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious pasta. So I started by boiling water and adding the pasta into the pot, and I kind of stirred it and added a little bit of oil just to make it come out one. So I stirred it, then I kind of set up my two burners because I want to use these two burners. So I wanted to start preparing my gizzard that I will use for making it. So I added onions to the gizzard. So I really love onion a lot. I don't know if I'm the only one because I enjoy putting a lot of it even in small food. As you can see in this gizzard, I even had more onion than the gizzard itself. So I did that and I added the rosemary, as you can see here, and I went in with my curry powder and also added a little bit of salt and this seasoning powder and my seasoning cube. So this is what I did here, and I kind of turned it together to make sure that everything, all the spices, entered everywhere in the gizzard. So I also kind of added a little bit of water to it so that they can just steam with each other, and the pepper mix. So this is me. I stirred it again to make sure that the pepper mix, everything are just kind of uniformly stirred so that it would taste real good. So now I decided to check the pasta and I think it's ready. So I had to pour it into a bowl, as you can see me doing it right now. So I made sure that everything is out. So I kind of poured the water away and kind of washed it because I wanted everything not to stick with each other. So I had to use cold water to wash it very well. So now I decided to check the gizzard to know if it's done because I want to fry the gizzard. So look at me bringing it out from the pot, as you can see. So I made sure that everything, all the whole gizzard are out of the pot, as you can see. So I want to kind of fry this gizzard. I just want to make this pasta in a different way. I've not really tried this before. So I kind of put the oil in the pot and it was not enough. So I had to add another oil to make it enough because I'll be doing a lot of frying. So I put the gizzard in there, as you can see, and I kind of stirred it and allowed it to fry. So I kind of broke 2 eggs in a bowl because I'll be using egg to make this food. So I checked the gizzard is ready. I decided to remove it from the oil, as you can see. So I did that, and now I'm getting ready to fry the eggs. So look at me, I poured the egg into the pot and allow it for a while to kind of fry. So this is it. You'll be trying this recipe because I really love it. I just decided to make something creative. So this is me. I kind of stirred it together and I really love this. So I really love how the egg came out. So I put the onions inside of it. So I want to put everything. Like I don't have time to come and do it separately. So this is me putting the tomato. So I kind of put the tomato paste inside of it, as you can see, and I mix properly. And fresh tomato. Wow, I love fresh tomatoes. So look at it. I put it there, then I start stirring it properly. So I want to kind of fry it for a little while, and I checked it was good, and I started adding my seasoning. So I added the whole ingredient I used for the gizzard, as you can see. So I put everything, the seasoning cubes and so many of other things. So look at me, I decided to stir it again to make sure it's good, and I added my pepper and ginger into the pot. I kind of checked it and it was good. I added the gizzard in there and I stirred properly. So I checked it again. I had to adjust with a little bit of salt, and I kind of put my meat stock. Look at it now, and I added my pasta. Wow, we are almost getting it ready. So I stirred to make sure that everything mixed properly. This is the main part of it. You have to mix everything properly so that the whole pasta will have the whole ingredients. No one will be left out. So look at me, I kind of stirred it and I covered it for a while. So I came to check it again, and wow, it's getting ready. So this is kind of coming out the way I want it. So I stirred it properly again. I checked it was okay, and I added my veggies. Wow, I love veggies in pasta. So I really enjoyed putting vegetable because it makes me want to eat it, because I'm not a pasta person, but I like when I add it in my pasta. So look at it, and this is the outcome. Wow, will you be eating this delicious pasta meal? Wow, so this is me trying to save portion, and I really love it. Thank you for watching.